Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. How you all doing? Thanks for tuning in. If it's your first time, please do not forget to hit the subscribe button. Feel free to join the family. Yeah guys, today what I will be showing you is how to do braidless crochet, guys. Yes, that's what we are going to be doing today, braidless crochet. Yeah, so firstly, what I'm just rubbing on my hair is moisturizer. I'm just moisturizing my hair. Yeah, so and after that I'll be applying my gel. Yes guys, I'll be applying my gel. After applying my gel, yeah, that is this hairstyle is very easy. If you want to just make a simple and easy hairstyle, I think this video is for you. Yes guys, so after rubbing the gel, I'll just go ahead and brush it for the gel to slip with my hair very well, guys. So for me to let me stop talking for you to enjoy the video. Okay guys, I've just finished applying the gel and all that for my hair. So I just go ahead and tie it because I'm going to be leaving it overnight, guys, for the gel to dry. Guys, sorry. So yeah, that is it. So yeah, this is the next morning. So I'm just going to be losing the hair, and yeah, wow, look at that guys, look at the way the gel dry. Wow, this is nice. Yeah guys, that is it. So I'll just go ahead and start putting my hair. And the hair I'll be using today is from Jamaica Bouncy Hair. Yes guys, that is what I'll be using on my hair today. So I have my crochet pin, so I'll just go ahead and start crocheting it on my hair like so, guys. So yeah, that is it. Yes guys, this is the end of this video. Yeah, look at that, guy. Look at how beautiful my hair turns out. Braidless crochet, guys. Yeah, this hair is good for those of us that don't have too much hair, because my hair is, it's not too much. I don't have too much hair actually, so I prefer this kind of style to grow my hair, guys. Yeah, yes guys, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up, comment, share and subscribe to my channel if you have not. Until I come your way next time, guys, stay blessed and bye bye.